Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix earbuds don't respond or respond so slowly to touch controls. And the first one what you can do is to put your earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case. These earbuds are disconnected from your phone. So after that open it, remove your earbuds from the charging case and check maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, also sometimes it happened because the control feature is set to none. So open the application, click on your earbuds here and go to the controls. So as you can see right here I have an on. If you have the same, just change to something else and check maybe it fixed your problem. And also these earbuds have only controls, so you need to press on these controls. Right here it haven't gesture here or in another place. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!